One of the questions that I think all businesses need to be asking these days is to say, in the light of this incredible new legislation that's come through Welsh Government, the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act and the Environment Act, business has got an absolutely key role to play. Because for me, all of this sits with an enterprise mindset about finding new ways of fixing our problems. And business for me is the only thing that's got the level of imagination and drive to fix this. Government's got a key role to play in terms of shifting the policy framework, shifting the floor level, but business is the only thing that can respond. And I see that happening in two ways. Firstly, the big businesses, the Unilevers, the Nestle's, the Procter & Gamble's and M&S's of this world can start to use their corporate smarts, their CSR capacity, their product design, the way they deploy their skills at a country scale in a different way. And we're talking to them right now about how to do that. But in Wales, 99% of our businesses are SMEs, and SMEs can think in a different way about how do I throw away less stuff that I paid for to make more money? How do I switch my suppliers to green electricity at the same price and reduce carbon but get the same thing that's coming out of my switches? And more importantly, if I look after my staff better, look after my community better and look after nature better, the irony is that by looking wider, I make more money and have happier staff who stay longer and work better. So for me, there's no downside in business except letting go of some old ideas that you have to do one or the other, because that's no longer true.